Hello, so here Josh. The first thing you do is you need to have the clip here. For example, this is the clip. Um, I'll be showing you how I do things. So we have the clip here. So the first thing we do is have this clip here. So the client wants like before it's a B-roll, you can add like slow zooms, like here. For example, here, like slow zooms of herself, and then exit and is. For example, this is a still video, so make sure every like sa B-roll and sa main clip is na ay mga zooms. So kana siya zooms and then slowly zoom out. So that's how I do things. So again, B-roll and then B-roll, then zoom in aside, B-roll, slide, zoom out na side, and B-roll, B-roll, then zoom in aside. So, but for example, diri zoom in and then i-zoom out na pud siya. So usually I do here is nagibutang na ko og ng film blur na effect. So from the sa text, so sa text I used Bebus New. So to hear other things, I make sure na center siya and then center and then naka-italic siya. So the shadows kay 13.56 then 12 and so I use this preset nagamit ko kanina no it's an effect I created, so pop text effect. So how does it work? So I'll just put another one here. Ay, guys. Okay, I'll just put another one here. Yeah, so example here. So from ito siya ito sa kuan, transcribe. So let's try to transcribe again. To make sure na imong Premiere Pro is it's ano siya updated or something. So here, so example kani what you do is go click align form and then change to Bebas and then italic and then you make sure na siya diri. So what I do is butang na ko siya diri. So actually ang text niya is just like this. So to create the preset, add to ka here and then add to ka sa FX control. No. To sa FX control. Okay, let's try to make it upgrade to graph. Okay, here. So I go to transform, click transform, and then I put it here. So ano na siya kaya Josh? So alignment is inana and then from here I turn it to upgrade captions and then so let's say transform. So butang lang ako siya diri transform. So transform, click scale, turn it to 0. No. Okay, let's just remove this muna. So scale is 0. Then I click it here and move 3 steps. I can go to 120 and then 110. So it's really weird siya. So what I do is I go here, unclick this composition shatter, then go for 300. So that's how you do it. Okay, you can just adjust this ease out. So here are the 3 things. So you can just adjust it a little bit. So ikaw na yung bala mo adjust, making sure na kan. Okay, so here. So so you save it's pop text effect. So you save na siya nimo, then once you save it, you can have it here. Pop text effect na siya diya, and then highlight it and then just put it like that. Bootcamp number 1, you'll learn how to define business achieve, blah blah blah, craft messages. So yeah, so for the coloring, make sure na color lang kag mga yellow, green. Okay, so that's my first process. So the second process I do is I close this one, export na ko siya, and then adto ko sa CapCut. So here sa CapCut, okay, let's go. Let's say this one. So basically, sa CapCut is everything na, so
let's face it, personal development.
So I use emojis or icons for this one. So
Development.
personal development.
Personal.
So I go to this brother, Flaticon. So I go to Flaticon. So personal. What is personal development? So okay, so this one, so this icon, personal development. So okay, so here,
let's face it,
so the click I typically used for this one. Let's see, okay, it's about it.
Personal development.
And I use the effect na shake to. So shake to is better.
Personal.
Then I'm using a click. So click effect. So again here.
A little addictive. Not right.
So we have film burn. So film burn suggestion kay use glare 2. So nara na siya dire. So make sure na. And then here, that rush is unavailable. So whoosh is just nara na siya sa audio effect. You can just type deep whoosh. Yeah, so that one. So same thing na siya. Camera.
Investing in yourself. Let's talk numbers.
Okay, so here. So let's talk numbers. So I'm using money sound effects. So same gyapon ng animation yan is shake gyapon.
Sure.
Okay, so here, sometimes I use whoosh, sometimes I use camera flash for this one. So kani course promising. So usually magad ang image that we're going to use is businesswoman. So we're going to look sa internet for like people, business women, stock photos. So for this one,
that course promising.
So what I do for this effect, I use animation, and I do slide to left. So here,
that course.
So slide to left. So I make it sure na delay siya gamay para ay siya pamina. So 1 yung duration, and then other effects I used is this one. Pay pendulum. So if you see increase na akong strand,
promising enlightenment.
so i-decrease na ni mo siya, make it sure na
That
Really
course
siya
promising
shaking.
enlightenment
mo siya float.
for 199.
So here again, slide to right. With same thing na siya play pendulum and edge close. So inana ra siya, Brother Josh. Like is there slide left, slide right, pwede siya slide up if you want. And just make sure na mag-float po siya. Mana na siya. Basically using icons, experimenting some mo to siya. Kani siya kaya different ni siya na effect. It's called shake tree. So mura na siya like
Define clear. Define clear
hammer mo ganay gusto sa
through this course. Put a price on it, and then add
sa clients are here.
number 3.
So number 3. So we have since we edited the B-roll na so mura na yung button. So kani siya, this is just an image.
Pursue is in alignment.
So I use deep whoosh for this one or sound effect and transition.
Is in alignment.
So kani animation, I usually just use a photo of this one. So kani siya muna siya ang photo. So ako rin siyang gi-download sa internet. So what I do is I put this here and then you remove the mask kay na siya kon. So I go for the mask horizontal and then ako siya ibali. So after ana increase na akong feather. Make sure na di siya makita so ayun na siya. So
Is in alignment with your
that's how it looks. So again, B-rolls. So zoom out na po siya. Slide up siya, then slide down na po niyang out na sa.
it should help
So
you
basically
move
na lang siya.
closer to your ultimate goals. These questions will help you make informed decisions about investing in personal development courses, including this one, in the right season and for all the right reasons.
Okay, so that's my process overall. So it's quite easy once you get it. So make sure na your time is very efficient in especially sa captioning kay tagsa-tagsaon mo gani mo mga colors sa captions, but you can finish that like 20 minutes. So ang estimate na editing hour per reel is an hour for that. Like for this one, adding sound effects, adding some B-roll, adding some like this one, adding this one kay magkita mo ka sa internet. So this is like I estimate 1 hour na siya na work. So siguro mo per reel is 1 hour and 20 minutes. So ano na siya sa akong process. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Ato ka sa Flaticon for libre ang kon.